Hi guys, this is a 3-minute tutorial on United States patent application publications. There are foreign patent applications out there. This is not one of them. This is a United States patent application publication. The foreign ones may be different. This is the first named inventor. This is the title of the invention, Walking Through Walls Training System. This is apparently the only inventor as well. If there were other inventors, they would be listed here. And that's your address. This is all public information, by the way. This is your application number for when this was filed. This is your publication number. These two are different, but the publication is usually the same as the application unless amendments were entered. This is the date of the publication. This is the filing date of the invention. That is important for prior art search purposes by examiners at the United States Patent and Trademark Office here in the USPTO. This is your abstract. It's a summary of the invention, 150 words or less. This is a picture. They usually include the first picture, but it could be another picture that you filed in your application. Again, figure 1. There are many figures in this one. The figures help to illustrate the inventive concepts that you talk about later in your written description part of the specification, which is here. You're going to recite the title again. You can break it up into sections such as the brief summary, the background. You have to have these paragraph numbers here, and then you're going to go through, you're going to talk about figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, etc. You don't have to stick exactly with the figures, but it is helpful to at least discuss the figures as they're presented. And then the name of the game is the claims, and of course they save the best for last. And so here you have the claim. Now the claim defines the metes and bounds of your coverage should this application, that is now this publication, mature into a patent. So you file the application, the USPTO publishes this into a publication so that way the public is aware, they can give their concerns on whether it should be patented or not. And if the examiners at the USPTO don't find any issues, then this may mature into a patent. And if it is matured into a patent, then these claims define, what you can do with it. So these are negative rights, meaning that you can exclude others from performing this stuff here. They're not positive rights, meaning that if you, for instance, claimed a new nuclear reactor that was really great, you can get a patent on that. That does not mean that immediately you can go out there and start building that. There are licenses such as from the Nuclear Regulatory Commission that you would need to get. You can go on and think about other agencies that might want to know about it. Or other inventions, and you have to get their permission as well. And so that is the claims of the invention. Again, then you go back to your written description part here, all right? And then you have your figures, okay? And then you have your front page, and that kind of summarizes your information.